To get Africa right, we need to do simple things. 3 things. Number 1, we must know the ability of knowing things that matters most. That means we need to understand that creating value is what sustains whatever you want to try. I hear a lot of people trying to say, hustle, hustle this, hustle that. What is hustling? What is hustling? We need to understand entrepreneurship is nothing but purely selling and getting value for what you're selling. What we need is number 2, flexibility. You cannot be an entrepreneur if you're not flexible. If you're going to sell something, you need to run faster than your competitors. That's what makes successful entrepreneurs. Number 3, never give people discount in your price. What I mean, it means you need 3 things. Number 1, customer care. Number 2, customer service. Then number 3, customer satisfaction. They don't come by luck. They don't come as a misery in your life. They don't come as a by the way. It's not an overnight kind of a concept. You work towards getting there. So flexibility is important. Number 2, you need to understand that selling is the most important skill. That is what makes entrepreneurs.